We all want more of something. Some of us want more money. Some want better relationships, while some want healthier bodies. While we want to be more successful, the road that leads to heaven is often as hot as hell. Seriously, it's tough to be successful, healthier, or better in anything. So, we can sometimes be confused. That's why we created this channel, to share with you practical tips and encouragement which will help you to be a better, richer, and more successful human being. Whether you want to be richer, healthier, or have better relationships, we are here to create daily video content that will help you. Some of our videos will teach you, some will inspire you, and listen to this, some of our videos will make you angry because they will contain some bitter truth you need to hear. If you think we sound like people you can be friends with, hit that red button and join our community now. We love you.